Hey, welcome to Planet Mark, and today I'll be telling you guys how to play Eminem and Ed Sheeran's River on the ukulele. That's right, the ukulele is back. So, because you guys love our ukulele lessons so much, it's been quite a while since I've done one. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure it's the last time I had the ukulele out was when I was teaching you how to play Ghostbusters. Oh yeah, that was a fairly long time ago, but anyway. If there's any other ukulele songs that you want me to cover or do a lesson of, then comment below, and of course I will. But let me talk you through the chords first. Firstly, we'll be using an E minor, a G, a C, D sus4, and an A minor. There are 5 chords. If you already know how to play those chords, then skip ahead. If you don't, then hang around and I'll tell you now how we can play them. And E minor is starting from our first string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, and top string open. A G is kind of like a D. If you play guitar, it looks like a D. So it's 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and top string again open. That's our G. C is an easy one. It's just your 1st string, 3rd fret, then all the other strings open. So 2nd, 3rd, 4th open, 3rd fret of that 1st string. D sus4 is, let's get a D first. So 2nd, 3rd, 4th strings, 2nd fret. It's a D, but we want to make it a sus4. So put your finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's a sus4, so we're going from D sus4. And finally A minor is just 2nd fret on that top string. That's A minor. Okay. The intro is just E minor, G, C, G, E minor, G, C, D sus4. It's the strumming which is a bit off on this bit, so it's a bit tricky, so you want to be playing the E minor, G, C, back to G, G, E minor, G, C, D sus4. Let's try that again. C, D sus4. Yep. So I'll just hum. Okay, and so basically, if you know that bit, then you know pretty much the rest of the song, because the verse and the chorus are effectively the same with a few minor, teeny-weeny little differences, including the A minor in there. So I'll go through it with you. So basically, the first bit is just the same, but it's a different strumming pattern. You'll be going. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up. The D sus4 is down, up, and then there's that A minor, which is just one down. Let's go from the beginning. E, G, C, G, E minor, G, B, C, D, A minor, E minor, G, C, G, E minor, G, C. That bit is really up to you whether you want to be doing that bit. Personally, I kind of think it also works with. It's kind of like I'm not really sure what chord this is, but it's think of the A minor with like your finger on the 2nd fret of the top string, but on the 3rd string you want to put the 1st fret down. So instead of doing your D sus to your A minor, you want to be doing this chord to the A minor. It's really up to you what you want to be doing. It's your song at the end of the day. Well, kind of. And that's pretty much it for the chorus as well, apart from you don't need to be doing the D sus for the chorus, you can just play a normal D. Yep. And that brings me on to the final bit, is the bridge. The interlude is just the same kind of stuff. You can, same chords, so you can effectively just play the same stuff. But for the bit where it all breaks down, the bridge is a C, D sus 4, C, E minor, D sus 4, C, back to C, and D sus 4, and C, and E minor, D sus 4, and then there's kind of a bit of a stop, and then Eminem starts doing some rappy bit, and then it's just a C for about 8. So then it goes back to the kind of the intro bit with Ed Sheeran. Ending on that D sus 4. So going back from the bridge, it's, so we start on our C, remember, so C, D sus 4, C, E minor for like half a bar, and then a D sus 4, and then kind of doing that again. So half a bar, D sus 4, back to C, then D sus 4, back to C, and then E minor for half bar, and D sus 4. And that's that big C build up. And let's get Ed Sheeran just to take us out. And that's really the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this one. Again, I'm only really doing this video because I couldn't find a video at all on this, like a particular song on the ukulele on the whole of YouTube, so I thought, okay, well, I might as well do it. Again, if there's any other ukulele songs you'd like me to cover, also play guitar, so if there's any other covers as well you'd like me to do, or lessons, then please comment below and I would be happy to teach. But anyways, that's really the end of the video. Again, if you haven't already checked out my other ukulele stuff, then check out this little playlist that's composed of all like guitar and ukulele stuff on Planet Mark. Subscribe as well, like, comment, share, and follow us on Twitter at Planet Mark Vlog, facebook.com/Planet Mark Vlog, or Laura's personal Instagram at Laura Goodbrand. See you in the next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.